Hello teachers, Dusmarhainal daw po sa Gabos. We are on our fourth session of our most requested number theory tutorial. Natapos na po natin ang Chinese remainder theorem, linear congruences, at ang FLT or Fermat's lethal theorem. And for today, we will discuss about Wilson's theorem. Ito po ang ating case 1. P minus 1 factorial is congruent to negative 1 mod P, where P is a positive prime number and the remainder negative 1 is equal to P minus 1. Kailangan po natin itong tandaan. And for case 2, we have P minus 2 factorial is congruent to 1 mod P. As for case 3, we have P minus 3 factorial is congruent to P minus 1 over 2 mod P. So, ano po yung pagkakaiba-iba nila? Dito po, yung difference ng P sa given factorial ay 1, dito naman ay 2, at dito naman ay 3. So, nakadepende po sa problem. And let's solve problem number 1. Pasensya na po sa ingay ng surroundings. So, here it is, problem number 1. Find x in 10 factorial is congruent to x mod 11. So, copy po natin. We are to solve for the remainder x. First consideration, i-check po natin yung difference. So, we have 11 and 10. 11 minus 10, we have 1. So, we can apply case number 1. P minus 1 factorial is congruent to negative 1 mod P, where the remainder negative 1 is also equal to P minus 1. And meron po dapat tayong i-consider dito. Kailangan daw po si P ay positive prime number. We have 11. So, si 11 po ba ay prime? Yes po, dahil ang kanyang factors ay tanging 1 and itself. Then, positive, of course, yes. Dahil mas malaki po siya sa 0. So, we can proceed the substitution. Yes po, magsa-substitute lang po tayo. We have mod P, mod 11. P is equal to 11, right? So, P, papalitan po ng 11, magiging 11 minus 1 factorial. Then, kokopyahin po natin ang remainder, negative 1, mod 11. So, we have it here. Ayan. Then, ang ating 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Copy the factorial. So, we have now the 10 factorial na problem po natin. Then, copy po natin from the formula. So, we have x remainder. We have negative 1 remainder. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1. Unfortunately, si negative 1 ay hindi po available sa ating options. Therefore, i-a-apply po natin ito. Negative 1, which is our remainder, is also equal to P minus 1, where P is equal to 11, right? So, we have 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, which is letter A. Ayan. But, we have our calculator techniques since pagdating po sa ating board exam, wala namang solution. So, we can also apply it. Here, we have our formula A minus A divided by B times B. And paano po natin malalaman kung ano ang ating A at ano ang ating B? We have this format. We have A mod B. Mod B, mod 11. Hence, our B is equal to 11. So, ibig sabihin po pala kung ano yung value ng ating modulo, yun po si B. Yes po. How about A? Si A naman ay yung value or values before the congruent sign. Hence, dito po sa ating problem, we have 10 factorial, which is equal to 3,628,800. By the way, mode 4 po tayo dito. So, let's check. Let's get our calculator. Check po muna natin ang ating 10 factorial. If talagang 3,620,800. So, it's true. Then, mode 4 na po tayo. A. So, ang ating A ay 3628800. Copy po natin ulit dahil A minus A tayo. 3628800. Then, divided by B, which is 11. Very good. Then, times 11. Then, equal sign to solve for the remainder. Remainder na po agad yung lalabas dito. Yes po, remainder. So, equal sign, we have 10 and indeed, it is 10. So, meron na po tayong options. And the answer is letter A. Problem number 2. If 27 factorial is congruent to x mod 29, find the value of x. So, copy po natin. X po ulit. Ano nga po ang una nating i-consider? Yung difference po nila. So, we have 29 minus 27 is equal to 2. Hence, case 2. And here is the formula. P minus 2 factorial is congruent to 1 mod P. Ano nga po dapat si P? Positive prime number. And check naman po. So, proceed sa substitution. RP is 29. So, 29 minus 2 factorial is congruent to 1 mod 29. Right? So, ito na po. 29 minus 2 is 27. Then, copy na po ito. And, ito na po ang ating problem. Ito po ang ating formula. Ayan, kokopyahin na lang po ulit natin. So, we have x is equal to 1 as our remainder. And it is letter A. Ayan, nakakadalawa na po tayo. Problem number 3. Find the remainder when 20 factorial raised to 45 is divided by 23. Dito, medyo mas mahirap na po ito. We have our problem, 20 factorial raised to 45 is congruent to an unknown remainder na hinahanap po natin, mod 23. Paano na po natin ito gagawin? Uunahin po natin ang ating 20 factorial using our Wilson's theorem. So, paano nga po ba ito? Difference po ng 23 at 20 ay 3. So, case 3 naman po tayo. Ito po ang ating formula. P minus 3 factorial is congruent to P minus 1 over 2 mod P. Substitution, right? Yes, our favorite. So, 23 minus 3 factorial is congruent to 23 minus 1 over 2 mod 23. And here it is. Oh, by the way, P must be positive prime number and check naman po ang ating 23. So, let's proceed. 23 minus 3 is equal to 20 factorial. So, ito na po yung ating problem. 23 minus 1 is 22 divided by 2, we have 11. Hence, 20 factorial is congruent to 11 mod 23. And our remainder is 11, right? So, si 11 ay ipapalit na po natin kay 20 factorial. What we have now is 11 raised to 45 is congruent to question mark remainder mod 23. And now, we will apply ang ating session 3 na FLT. Ano nga po ang ating formula? We have A raised to P minus 1 is congruent to 1 mod P. By the way, dito dapat si P ay prime number din. Since prime number naman ang ating 23, so proceed po tayo. A is 11, P is 23 minus 1, so 11 raised to 22 is congruent to 1 mod 23. Ito na po. Then, our task is to simplify 45 kasi hindi po siya kaya ng ating calculator. Ngayon, ilan pong 22 ang meron sa 45? By the way, ililink ko po ang FLT tutorial natin para masundan po ito. So, we have 2. Then, 22 times 2 is equal to 44. May kulang pa tayong isa. So, magiging ganito po. 22 times 2. Then, ang 11 natin, kapag wala pong exponent, 1 po. Yan. Dito, ilalagay lang po natin, pero hindi na po talaga natin yan ilalagay. Nilagay lang po natin para maipakita natin na equal sa 45 ang ating exponent. So, paano po ba ito? 22 times 2 is 44. Then, plus 1, we have 45. Applying the laws of exponent. So, equivalent na po siya. Then, applying FLT, 11 raised to 22 is 1 po ang remainder. Therefore, magiging 1 na po ito. Ayan, 1 na siya. Then, 1 squared or 1 times 1 is also 1, right? Therefore, 1145 is now equal to 11. So, successful. Naging 11 na lang po ang ating 11 raised to 45. Now, we have 11 is, ito po, kokopyahin na po natin. Kasi yung ating 20 factorial raised to 45 ay na-simplify na po natin sa 11 na lang. Then, 11 mod 23, alam na po natin na kaya na po natin. Ito. Notice that 11 is less than 23. Our dividend is less than our divisor. Hence, ito na po ang ating remainder. E di magiging 11 is congruent to 11 mod 23. And 11 is now our answer, which is letter C. Paano po yun? Bakit naging 11? So, ito po, pakita po natin. We have 11 and divided by 23, right? 11 mod 23. Ilang 23 po ang meron sa 11? Wala, dahil mas maliit sa 11 kaysa kay 23. So, 0 times 23, we have 0. Then, subtract po natin. And we have 11, which is our remainder. That is why, kapag mas maliit po ang ating dividend, ang dividend po ito, numerator, sa ating divisor, which is our denominator, yung dividend na po natin ang ating remainder. And the answer is letter C. Problem number 4. Find the remainder when 2016 factorial minus 2015 factorial is divided by 2017. Patawarin niyo po ako kung mababasa ko minsan ng 2016, 2015 at 2017. Pauna na po. So, ito po ang ating problem. 2016 factorial minus 2015 factorial is congruent to an unknown remainder mod 27. Ano nga po ang una nating gagawin? I-check po natin yung difference. So, 2017 minus 2016, ang difference po ay 1. So, ang gagamitin po natin ay case 1, where the remainder negative 1 is equal to P minus 1 and P must be a positive prime number. So, okay naman po ang ating P. Proceed. For 2015, ang difference po nila ay 2. So, ang gagamitin po natin dito ay ang case 2. Unahin po natin si 2016 factorial. Ang difference po ay 1, kaya ito pong first case tayo. So, we have 2017 for P. 2017 minus 1 is equal to 2016 factorial, which is congruent to negative 1 mod 2017, right? So here, this is 2016 factorial is congruent to negative 1 mod P applying case 1. For 2015 factorial, we will use case 2 since 2 po yung difference nila. Then, we will have 2017 minus 2, 2015 factorial is congruent to 1 mod 2017. So, ito po ang ating mga remainder. 2016 factorial is equal to negative 1 minus 2015 factorial, which is 1 ang remainder. So, ito po. Then, copy po natin ito. Simplify natin, negative 1 minus 1, we have negative 2. So, copy ulit. Then, familiar na po ba? We have negative 2 as our dividend and 2017 as our divisor. Hence, remainder po natin ay kapareho po ng ating divisor dahil mas maliit po siya dito. And negative 2 is congruent to negative 2 mod 2017. Hence, our remainder is equal to negative 2. But same case with problem number 1, wala po siya sa ating options. Dito, pwede naman po nating kunin yung positive equivalent nito. Paano po? Ipa-plus lang po natin ang ating modulo. So, this will be negative 2 plus 2017 or pareho lang din naman po nito which is P minus 2. 2017 minus 2 is also equal to 2015, which is letter B. So, ibig sabihin po pala, yung mga remainder po natin dito ay meron po silang equivalent. Yes po. Dito, since negative, ang positive equivalent niya po ay 2015 by adding our modulo or P, which is 2017. Ayan po. Pareho lang naman po yun ng P minus 2. Negative 2 plus 2017 or 2017 minus 2 is just the same. Where remainder is 2015, letter B. So, this is for problem number 4. Problem number 5. Find the remainder when 97 factorial is divided by 101. So, ito po ang ating problem. Ang una po natin gagawin ay i-check po natin yung difference. 101 minus 97 is equal to 4. Pero, what we have from case 1 to case 3 ay hanggang difference of 3 lang. So, paano po natin gagawin? Pwede po tayong mamili from case 1 to case 3 kung ano po ang ating i-apply. So, ang gagamitin po natin ay case 2 dahil positive ang kanyang remainder. So, balikan po natin. And this is our formula. Again, P must be a positive prime number and it is a check for 101. So, applying P is equal to 101, P minus 2, so 101 minus 2, we will have 99 factorial is congruent to 1 mod 101 or 101. Now, paano po natin mapapalabas ang ating problem? Ito po. Di ba po ang 99 factorial ay nangangahulugan ng 99 times 98 times 97 times 96 hanggang times 2 times 1? Opo. So, ang ating 97 factorial naman ay 97 times 96 times 95 times 94 hanggang umabot po tayo sa times 2 times 1. Mapapansin po natin, we have 97 times 96 hanggang times 2 times 1, which is equal to 97 factorial, right? Hence, our 99 factorial can be written as 99 times 98 times 97 factorial, which is congruent to 1 mod 101. Ayan, nakita na po natin ang 97 factorial. But our problem is we must eliminate 99 and 98 para maiwan ang ating 97 factorial. Ito po. 99 minus 101, we have negative 2. 98 minus 101, we have negative 3. Then, copy na po natin ito, then ito. We need to simplify. Negative 2 times negative 3, like signs, ang product po nila ay positive. So, 2 times 3, we have 6 times 97 factorial, copy na lang po natin. So, 6 na lang po ang ating po problemahin. Di ba po yung ating remainder may equivalent pa naman. So, i-add po natin ang ating 1 para maging 102. So, ito na po. 6 times 97 factorial is equal to 102, which is now divisible by 6. Kasi yung 1 po natin kanina ay hindi po magiging whole number ang quotient. Ang kailangan po natin dito ay whole number. Kaya, kinuha po natin yung equivalent niya by adding 101. That is why we have 102. Now, para matanggal po natin ito dito, i-divide po natin siya. So, 97 factorial is equal to 102 divided by 6, copy mo mod 101. Then, 102 divided by 6, we have 17. So, our remainder is 17. 97 factorial is congruent to 17 mod 101 or 101. And it is letter D. So, ganun lang po. Pwede naman po natin gamitin any sa tatlong case natin. Ito lang po ang pinili natin para mas madali pong ma-manipulate ang 1. Please take note na we have unit earners na hindi naman po talaga mathematically inclined like computer science. Kaya doon lang po tayo sa mas simple. So, this is all about Wilson's remainder theorem and hope na meron pong na-share na strategies sa inyo teachers. Kindly share so we can help other self-review takers. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Claiming LPT 2023.